Day 1 ropes you in being all beautiful. Day 2, things get scary.
I'm gonna stay on the left side of this trail. Holy shit balls.
That is a scary drop off. I would like to get past that section.
Leave the girls behind. Oh, watch out right there, guys.
Oh, yeah.
We are on a cliff.
Yeah.
We're on a goat trail on a cliff. And their hooves are specially shaped so that they could stick to the edges where a human could never go. And yet here we are.
You can see how efficient I can get by the end of this trip at doing up my pole. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Just know I'm always talking.
Well, that's freaky. That is a scary ladder. Ooh.
I felt my knee like touch at one point. I was like, oh.
My heart was racing for sure.
You okay?
Whoa, forgot about my pack behind.
I never do that and almost hit my wife off of things. How brave are you guys feeling?
Oh yeah, the rope, that was helpful. Yeah, just wait a second because this is being whacked. Oh, this is really wow.
Ugh.
35. Okay?
Spider web.
There we go.
That an Oilers hat? Mm-hmm. You disgust me. Oh, no, just kidding, just kidding. We don't watch that.
This hat was lucky at one point.
This is where the Valencia went down. As you can see, there's quite the cliff right there. So they'd have no way to go up. It went down in January. Over 125 lost. Nothing they could really do. Wintertime temperatures, probably high tide. Tragic, really.
I think, yeah, weighted sounds like it's going to be a lot easier with the longer holiday segments. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa!
Wow. Do not say, oh, that's not very many ladders, or these kilometers are really easy, or this is so flat right now. Oh, viewpoint. Is that ocean?
Woo, slippery on this one.
Slippy one.
Alright, so we're trying to cross this river. It is definitely over boot length. We're gonna try down by the waves.
Let me go across the
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, it's strong. Just go nice and slow. Use that pole. That was a big one.
That was a big one. Oh, that's a diver. Next is absolutely.
It literally would not be. Yeah? Okay. If it ends up not being.
Oh yeah, we'll make that work.
What?